Alright, Alex. We gotta get those hiccups away. We're gonna scare Alex. Ooh. No? Oh, it didn't work. What about now? What about now? How about now? Nope.